Okay, this is the next one we're on. Customer said it was blinking at 24. Blown fuse on the furnace. Inside there's, oh, they got a St. Bernard that's absolutely enormous. And can't get into the air conditioner. I ain't hopping the fence. Hold on, I gotta figure out how to get back there. But what happened was disconnected the air conditioning and tested my own reading. I only had 4 ohms, so that's no good. Contactor should have like 18. So let me get into the air conditioner. All right, let's see what we got. Been running into a lot of this lately. Oh, look at it. Oh, let's see. No one's been in here for a while. Adjust you guys. There you go. What's this? Oh, that might have been it right there. Might need some new wire. Oh boy. Let me look back farther. Yeah, new wire is needed. Let's see if it's the wire or the contactor. Man, my phone won't stop ringing. Let's see. It doesn't look bad. No, it's the wire. I got 15 ohms. So 15 ohms, contactor's good, wire's bad. Wire is bad. So let me cut the wire out and get some new wire. Let's see. Just cut that there. I got it wound up, wrapped around. Hopefully if I cut it back there, right there, it's all split there, and I don't know where my other clippers are. Hopefully it's good. Going into the house. It's 40 degrees outside and I'm making an AC repair. Not a heat pump, AC. Jeez, this wire's crispy. Oh, jeez, oh pizza, it's crispy. It's freaking snowing out. I'm making an AC repair. Oh, jeez. Let's see. This should have no reading because I got it disconnected inside. Switch over continuity. No reading. So I just got to get some new wire here. All right, all I had was 8 wire, but any wire is better than no wire. Throw some caulk in those waterproof that. I'll throw some caulk in wire nuts. Don't know if a mouse got it or what got this thing, but I'm assuming it's a mouse because where the line set hole is, it looks like it's kind of chewed up. Down there. Should probably throw some caulk in that hole down there. Mouse is gonna be mad. All the way back in the corner. Algae all over my pants. thing is just north side of the house. No sunlight. Grows algae and moss. Hopefully I'm picking the right colors because I'm colorblind. We gotta test that cap too. Disconnects out. Looks like a leaky cap. Supposed to have, I don't know. Fan side's good. It's actually good, and it's starting to snow. It's snowing, and I'm working on an air conditioner. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Michigan weather. This is ridiculous. Disconnect back in. Go get some caulk. I'll caulk that hole up while it's snowing. Okay. So usually if I got wire nuts outside, seal them up. Just throw caulk in the wire nuts, seal them up. Get this big hole over here. No more mouse. Oh, she's gonna have to call back for maintenance on this one. Let me get my wires picked up. All right, so they got a huge St. Bernard in here, enormous. Let's see if I can get a video of them, but I have to tie my wires back on common Y2. Yeah, I took a picture of that dog. I couldn't get him on camera, but I took a picture of him, and I'll slide that in there. But this dog's huge. I mean, his head is, I mean, this big. I mean, it's crazy. You'll see the picture. So we see a lot of these, and I'm sure everyone does. Right when we go from heating to air conditioning season, over the winter or whatever, you get mouse chews through the line, or whatever he does, or a chipmunk or something, or I don't know. You always get shorted lines, and like usually going from when they turn the heat off, he ran fine. But as soon as they turn that air on, boom, it shorts the fuse, and then they don't have anything. They don't have heat, or they don't have AC. So I ran into one last week, late last week, like Wednesday, Thursday, and today's Monday, so another one today. So that's 2 in a week. We usually get a lot of them like that, you know, right at the beginning of the season, always blowing fuses. People forget you know, for some reason, the old people, they take their disconnect out and they flip it over, or they take the disconnect out and put it somewhere and forget about it. Get a lot of calls like that. I feel bad running, you know, telling the customer, hey, I got to charge you a service call for telling you to find your disconnect, but it is what it is. There's nothing you can do. But you know, when you're out there, obviously, hey, let me run through it for the service fee, and that's all we'll charge you. That's fair. So they don't, so you know, you don't feel like a complete, you know, but that's stuff that happens. So you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe for my son. I appreciate everything. The family appreciates everything you guys have donated, and everyone else around the world. It's highly appreciated. Also, like, subscribe. Subscribing's free. That helps out. Just watch videos, get ad revenue. But that's it for this one, and I will see you on the next one.